Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today we are going to work on our IEP goals, but this week will look a little different. We are going to look at week number 2. So we are working on addition on pages 5 through 6. And like I said, today is Thursday, so we're looking at the day for Thursday. So let's go ahead and find the assignment. Like I said, it's pages 5 through 6. So let's go ahead and okay, here we go. We have page number 5. So let's go ahead and read the instructions. It says cut and paste the numbers in the right order, but we do not have the numbers right in our packet. So what we're going to do is that we are going to write and fill in the correct numbers. So before we get started, let's go ahead and review our numbers from 1 through 10. Count with me, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now let's go ahead and go to the beginning. 1, 2. We're missing a number. What number is next, boys and girls? We're missing the next 2 numbers. Let's count through to 5 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead and write down the missing numbers, boys and girls. Remember, all the way to number 10. Now let's go ahead and look at page number 6. Let's go ahead and read the instructions. It says, write the right numbers in the blank spaces. So we are doing the same thing, but in the first page, we had numbers from 1 through 10. Now we are counting from 1 through 20. So let's go ahead and practice our numbers from 1 through 20. Count with me, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay, you all did great. Now, go ahead and start filling in the missing numbers, boys and girls. Whenever you guys are done, have your parents upload a picture to Teams, or they could also send a picture to our WhatsApp group. Have a great day. I will see you all later. Thank you for working hard.